guys, some grater there. Some beetroot right there. So carrot, and I got a 1 lime and some ginger. Alright. Right now, I'm gonna get this jug full up with some natural juice. Some grater there. Yeah man, I blend and mash up, you know. Yeah man, guys, I blend and mash up. So I'm gonna get them thing here. Process, prepare, clean up, wash. Yeah, and grater them and strain them. Make some juice right here. So stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay. Yeah man, out here, never fear. Out here I make some juice. Check in. Yeah, I get them thing peeled up now. People, look at that. Everything fully prep up now, well clean and wash off. Yeah man, time for grater now. Catch me a grater. Yeah guys, look at that. Fully grated. Yeah, right. Look at that guys. 2 beetroot. Go. Everything fully active. Look at that. Yeah man, fully ready now. Yeah, some got lime left, got some sugar here, so yeah, I get this strain off. Yeah guys, look at that. Everything fully active now. Time for have a little taste now, you know. Yeah man, look at that. Yeah man, drinks active up. Yeah. Yeah man, refreshing. Yeah. Yeah man, see manual blender, yeah. Yeah guys, see manual blender there. Yeah man, I show them around the plant root, you know. Yeah, this is manual. Yeah man, we have some brown sugar we use sweeten it. See manual blender there, can blend and mash up and peanut punch. Yeah man, 1 line fully used up. Yes, I'm gonna get some ice and a cup now and taste. Check in. Yeah, and people got my look at taste this, you know. Yeah man, I know ice, the ice never fully up yet. Yeah. Yo, people, it tastes so refreshing. Let's have another little taste. Say ginger hot. People, so I just ice one people, man. I tell us, you need to try out these ingredients and you need to try it out. Words can't explain how it tastes. Guys, it actually tastes like red wine. One more shot. I tell you say that could have, if it stay for 1 week it turn wine. Guarantee. Look at that. Yeah, this off later. Yeah, man, this off later will be greater. Say ginger strong on people. Yeah, respect to all of my subs. Respect to all of my followers. Stay tuned for more. Check in. People, may I put this on the fridge for later. But right at home I got people. Seems like none are left for later, you know. Tell you the truth. Yeah. So that is it. So I get everything fully washed up now and clean up. So check in back for more later. I'm out.